Quick reading for fire signs, December the 13th to December the 14th. Alam ni person na pinag-intay ka niya, no? Medyo mahaba-haba yung pag-aantay kasi with the Three of Wands in here, no? Kasi Three of Wands medyo lumayo. I don't know kung this is more of physical, no? Well, hopefully, um, ito na kasi yung time na pabalik na siya. Whether yung person mo is pumunta ng ibang bansa, pumunta ng ibang lugar, nagprobinsya, or kung nasa probinsya ka, nag-Maynila, or pumunta kahit ng ibang probinsya, it doesn't matter, merong physical separation. It felt like itong si person magpapakita with a temperance, pero bago yon, itetest niya muna yung waters, no? So, makikita natin dito temperance is in traditional tarot, no? Well, ganito pa rin naman, iba lang yung depiction niya ng kaunti. Yung isang paa niya, no, nakalubog sa tubig, yung isa nasa land. If in case, so parang medyo playing safe in a way na siguro mag-hi, hello muna, if in case na hindi nga kayo nag-uusap, titingnan niyo muna kung magre-respond ka, no? And if in case mag-respond ka nga, eto na siya with the Six of Swords. Parang unti-unti siyang babalik sa buhay mo. Sisiguraduhin niya makakabalik siya sa'yo, no? So this is your reading for fire signs, December the 13th to December the 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose.